use your hip, like get more like over here, like get your belly button shooting up, kind of like position like more here to get more weight on your heel downward.
Okay.
And that's gonna put more weight on your rear tire, so more aft. And then for like moving, like getting weight onto the front of the bike is not the problem for most people. They're like, they're doing it too much, in my opinion. Getting it back is tricky part. And because if you can really do that, you can force, like you can really focus the weight onto your back wheel, and basically your bike would shorten and it turns really evenly nicely. Just try it. Just your hip can be used as a fore and aft. Okay? Now that you know, just play with it and see if it's true and if it makes a difference. Like if you start feeling you can really load your rear, then you're gonna be really good on the jumps and corners and everything. So yeah,
Okay.
you can do it. Just rotate the hip backward. Use your hip to load that rear, compress the rear shock. That's the exercise we're doing. Go.
Okay.
I'm following you.
Hey everyone, James Kim here. Here is my buddy Adrian, and I've been riding with him for about 10 years. Um, I'm a mountain bike instructor. I've been teaching biking for about 15 years in Vancouver, and last 7 years I've been in Sun Peaks Bike Park. And he's quite advanced rider. Adrian been mountain biking for about 20 years in Vancouver, North Shore, and I probably been biking a little bit less than him, but I've been riding a lot more because it's my job as bike instructor. I ride a lot of bike, and I progressed quite far, and I wanted to share what I found out about biking with my buddy Adrian. So, one important thing, the theme of the lesson here is using of the hip muscle and like hip and the psoas muscle to ride bike. And it's been, as you can see, he's riding really well, and it looks like it's been working.
You know,
How easy is
maintain
this?
your form.
Yeah,
Right?
You're not over tiring any one muscle because you're loose, right? Your whole body is taking care
You're
of
looking
all.
further ahead too,
Yeah.
especially with a sequence of corners.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, oh, okay. I was like thinking ahead
Yeah.
because you're relaxed and you're like, let me spot what I need to do instead
Totally.
of just survival mode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.